Kublai pi baro ngi priang sngobhai pi syakatuk kubor menta ka janmit. Barashwa bangin pai syaki kubor ki babnya ngin ya pechwai ki mat bakongsan. Kenduk kendau ke Eryong Michong hapadeng ke Nelor bat Machilipatnam ha Andhra Pradesh menta ka sngi. On pendep ya ka jingtai ya ka ying dorbar thau ai mathamai ha upnai naitung hadu nailar ha news number 1 ong ulam phang ka ying dorbar thau an ka jilla uthama sangma. On bishop nya ka sarkar Meghalaya ya ki project siang surok ha ka NHIDCL ha ka jilla la ai jingmut ya ki surok bakam kenjang ha ka surok shlong dauki. Yawer Menteri Rangba upong Ratya Sangma ya ka jingpen kinriak sya ka yok ka kot ka badlapin thamai. But yok jing itu usinrai lakadong ka Meghalaya ya ka geographical indication tag. Ki kubor ki babnya. Ka Eryong Michong kala kenduk kendau ha padeng ka Nelor bat Machilipatnam ha Andhra Pradesh menta ka sngi. Menteri Rangba ka Andhra Pradesh ula khot penlong ya ka jingyalang ban penyo alat bat ka jing penyaso lingba ki surok ha Nelor bat Tirupati district. Lahap ban pinkin ria ya palat kendai hajar sanspa angut ki beriu sya ki arspa khatwai teli ki jaka ri tengen ha Andhra Pradesh. Ka NDRF bat ka State Disaster Management Authority ki lai trei shitom ban pelat im ya ki beriu bat ban penbiang ya ki jaka ri tengen bat baro ki jingdan kam. Lampang ka ying dorbar thau an ka Meghalaya Legislative Thomas A. Sangma hene ka sngi ula lejurip ya ka jingtai ya ka ying dorbar thau an bathamai ha mau diang diang. Ha ka ba ula kular ban pendep ya ka ne ka jingtai kloi kat bala. Lampang ula pentip ba kila persyang kat bala ban pendep hapo unaitung ni nailar hajar pusau bat ula banru ba ka jingtmu ban penlong ya ka dorbar senrai ha ka yeng dorbar ka bathamai.
We had called different departments today. So we have taken various opinions from various departments. So the work is in good progress. We have put the deadline to complete this by July or August. We are targeting to start the next assembly here of the autumn session.
Ka sarkar Meghalaya kala thmu ban yakendu ya ka sarkar pedeng lembat ka jing ai jingmut ban pinkelai ya ka rekom trekam ha ka jingjingai ka bahap hapo ka package 1 jong ka surok shlong dauki. Menteri Rangba ukong Ratya Sangma ula ong ba ka surok bamut ban yat na railbong menshwa kamdei ka flyover. Ka sarkar kadang wat ya ki surok ba kham kenjang ka ban let sha Anjali petrol pump. Uloong baki he ka NHIDCL kila ya menjur ya ka surak ka bakam kenjang. Ki projek balakmi biang ha ka ne ka jingelang ka kentup ya ka surak nong ston wa kaji ranikor nong helam Mahesh Khola bakmara bat ka western bypass.
We've gone through all the projects and we've asked each contractor to give a deadline on the different works. We have asked them about the problems that they're facing. And based on that, we have asked the officials to resolve those issues. And now we'll be continuously monitoring this because this is a working season. So we would not want to lose this time. And therefore, as I said, all the important projects that are being implemented by NHIDCL, we have gone through each one of them. So there are different problems being faced by different projects. Some areas it's land acquisition, some areas it's forest clearance. So depending on project to project, and even in land acquisition, there are different issues. But as I said, we took up each one in the minute details, and we're hopeful that we'll be able to, to resolve all the issues.
Katanat Social Welfare mendagasngi kelapenlong ya ke Community State Forum bringing unity in local against drugs built ha ususotam auditorium. Ha bakren ha kenikasngi u kongrat ke sangma ula banjur halor ke jingdan kam jong ke jingesim menta ki samla ke Meghalaya ha ke bantai ya kalawai ke bedap babiang na ke benta ke jilla. Da ka jing yok mensim na ka jing job ka Singapore ha ka ban kentiu ya ka yok ka kot lingba ki matrekam ki bai ha bat ki samla ula kershan ya ka jingkin ria sya ka yok ka kot ka balapin thamai. U Menteri Ketenat Social Welfare ba Paul Lingdo u DGP ke jilla u LR Bishnoi bat ki wei ki he sarkar kila don lang ha kene kasngi. Ka jingsiang da ki sainar fiber kabel ha keleng ke jela ban pentikna ya ka jing penyesno ka bala jandep artat bat kan sedang nadu ubnai leber usnem banwan. Haba pentip ya ka ni hadin bala penyat ya ka jialang bat ketenat patai jingtip henen kesngi u menteri rangba u kongrat ke sangma ula ong bala dep ban projek ya ka ni ke projek. Ka sarkar ka kami lenti bo on la ban sedang ya ka kam ha upnai leber jong usnem banwan bat on pendep ha po khat ark ni khat san banai baro ki blok ha ka jela bat baro ki subdivision on penyesno da ki sainar optical fiber. Shu u kongrat ulo ong ba ka ni ka project ka long ka bakongsan da ka babu jingmut ya ki babun na ki e-governance project ba ka sarkar kadang le.
And we had a detailed discussion with the telecom wing of the power grid, where we are moving forward now to lay optical lines all the way to all the blocks. So the roadmap has been laid, and in a phase-wise manner, this project will start. We expect the work to commence sometime in the month of March next year, and we expect that within about 12 to 15 months time, that means by 2025, sometime around June, July, we do expect that all the blocks in the state, all the subdivisions, and obviously all the districts, all of them will be connected by optical fiber.
Ushinrai lakadong jong ka Meghalaya ubadon ha ka yo ka hat ka bahe bat yat yo minta ula yo ya ka jing itu geographical indication tag. U registrar ka geographical indications Chennai ulapin khamti ya ka GI ya Ushinrai lakadong ha ka ap kandai tarik unai wing. Kani ka jing itu ka day umau jam ba kongsan ya ka jilla bat ka shnong lakadong ban itu ya kum katel yaki kum katelong jong Ushinrai u bhatam ha ka perthai. Laju bena ba ulong kum u jingsho ba penkia Ushinrai lakadong udon ya ka dawai antioxidant but anti-inflammatory. U menteri rangba u kongrat ke sangma ulai kublai ya ki pai nong rep da ka pensyai ya ka jingyat lenti jongki ka balas dang saus nem menshwa datang kumbashi hajar ngut ki nong rep ki barep ya Ushinrai.
Gone for GI tagging, as I said, we've just got for Lakadong. We are trying to ensure that all of these in backlogs, I should say, or things should have been done some time back. We had started the process, as I said, for Lakadong turmeric about 4 years back, and we're very happy that now the Lakadong turmeric has a GI tag, and which makes it now unique, which means that it is specific to our region. The value of the product goes up, and it helps us in overall marketing the product at a global level.
Ha ka wei na ka jing persang banwan ra ya ka bha kamyat na ka benta ki nong shong shnong la penlong ya ka jing khmi ya ka jing ko jing khya kumshi benta ban rakhe ya ka vikasit Bharat Sankalp Yatra ha gari khana Shillong benta ka sngi. La penlong ya ka ni ka program da ka jing thmu ban pin yar ya ki scheme ka sarkar da ka ba pen thikna bakin la ban pin dan kampura ya ka. Haba ajing kren bat ka di news Shillong kan nong yo mentoy na ka scheme Swadidhi Yojana ikong please marry dekhar ila ong ba da ka jing yarap jong ka ne ka scheme ila la ban kintiu bat pen bha shu shu ya ka kam jong i. Sa iwe inong yo mentoy ikong Robina Rintathyang ibade inong de madan ila ong ba ila yo jing mentoy na bun ki scheme kum ka MGN Rega bat MHIS bat kini ki scheme kila ajing yarap shibun ya i.
PDAU.
Kandi gatai kan di kini kemar Maria waidong skrat.
Jadi kita kiskim ke bapi pila yo lamba ke sorkar.
Kanang yo tang tuka 10,000 berarkho.
Hak bayada ya kajing syam ke jongat kai la yarap sibun kan hakalian batia tal. Ata kai ruhi lada gibiang hila ki di komen jok sarkar ba ngile lada ki pelaj lada gile te ngiyo jimentai ma ndai da bangim yo ngiyo.
Da ke jing temu ban penpha ya ki program ai jing hikai na ke benta ki nong hikai bat ki kena puli ha Meghalaya ka Indian Institute of Technology Guwahati IITG ka layasoi soskular MOU ringkat bat ketenat puli puthi ha Meghalaya. Layasoi ya kini ke soskular ha ke jingelang ka balalong ha pedeng menteri ketenat puli puthi ke jela urakam sangma bat ki nong mi khmat jong ka IITG ha Guwahati henen ke sngi. Kini ke jing trailang ka persang man penbha ya ki subject ki bay day bat ke jing ai jing hikai kham tam ke jing phai khmat sha ka maths bat ke science.
Officials from Education Department, Government of Meghalaya, we went to IIT and witnessed the MOU signing to be partner with IIT to work with. So the first thing is we have collaborate with IIT Guwahati. The MOU has signed that our teachers will, especially the science and the mathematics teacher, will be trained by the IIT faculty members, even in IIT campus Guwahati, and also we'll be sending our students from the state to go and experience.
Ka millet kisan mela kam World Soil Day arjar arpulai la rakhe mentagasni ha pelau jong ke krishi vigyan kendra wa yajer. Lawan beneshi menta ha kani ke program da ki nongrep na East but West Giant Hills District ki bakwa ban yo khambun ke jingnang jingtip ha ka bay day bat ke jingthung ya ukrai bat ke jingpen I ya ki mar bla penmi na ukrai. Kani ke program kapai kemat ru halor ke pang peneng World Soil Day, Soil and Water, a Source of Life, haba ajing keren wapisar ketenat District Horticulture, iba S. Rani, ila pensyai halor ke jing pendon kam ya kimar, bala penmi na ukrai, ha ke ban shed jing bam, bat ki jing mentoy bangi yo na ukrai, kam tam ya ki beriu ki badon ya ke jing pang sini. Ka-Office jang ke District Social Welfare Officer Southwest Garo Hills Ampati kalarakhi ya ka International Day of Persons with Disabilities ha Multi-Facility Center henen kesngi. Ka kongsan ha keni kesngi ka Dr. Rezina Marak ka badai ka ADC jang ka Southwest Garo Hills kala banjur halor ka jingnon kam jang ka jingeteli ban persang ban pin urlong ya ki jingtemu na ka benta ki beriu ki badon jingduna ha ki dikhot med. Ha juga por ka office jang ka block mission coordinator SSA Semam umpling CNRD block kila rakhe ya ka International Disability Day ha ka ba kila penlong ru ya ka health camp na ka benta ki beriu ki badon jingduna ha ki dikhot med. La penlong ru ya ki program da ka jingtemu ban kentiu ya ka jingsha kentup ha baro ki liang. Ka Office jong Chief Engineer ketenat PHE kala pentip bahkan khang ya ka jingpen poi hadu arsni lenter kata hakan riu bat nyau tarik menta ubnai na kadaw ka jingpen kinria ya ki DI pipe hapo ban penhe ya ka surok na Shillong Shadauki. Ha ka baydai bat kane on omdon ka jingsam ha Shillong bat hakijaka bamarjan. Menta ngine pe ya ka jinglong jingman ka sun meneng ha Shillong. Ka jingshit kalong R4.1 degree Celsius, bat ka jingkriat kalong khat R degree Celsius. Ka jingsngam ka haw kalong saupu R na kashispa menstep, bat prapulai na kashispa janmin. Ka sun meneng kan rang bat kan don ka jingdum o hakikat tu kat neki jaka. Shwaban poi syaka bukut jong ka thup kubor ngin yapet biang sa shisien yakimat bakongsan. Kenduk ke Eryong Michong hapadeng ke Nellore bat Machili Patnam ha Andhra Pradesh mentah kesini. On pendek web ya ke jingte ya ke yeng dor bar thau an bat thamai hau nai nai tung hadun nai lar hau news number 1 ong ulam phang ke yeng dor bar thau an ke jila uthama sangma on bisharnya ke Sokar Meghalaya ya ke projek siang surok ka NHIDCL ha ke jila la ajingmut ya ke surok bak kham kenjang ha ke surok shalong dau ya wer umintri rangba pongrat ke sangma ya ke jingpen kenria sya ke yok kot ke blok pentemai But yo jing itu usinrai lakadong ke Meghalaya ya ke geographical indication tag. Te paralog da kitu ki khubor ngila poisha ka bukut jong ka thup khubor jongi menta ke janmit. Hadu banginde syam biang bat pila syai kesngi kublai pi baro.